On of mark. Any moment now. And the race is on. Hockey Hawk fast to begin. Running down on the inside. Material Ruler. Gray Angel. Down comes Strong Friend. Rushing up Victory Joe. Iron Tower then followed by Terrible Friend. Entry number 2. Alice's Choice. Good Hope, while King Anthony is the early trailer. Rounding the far turn, Hockey Hawk by some 2 legs. Material Ruler getting closer in second, together by Victory Joe, Gray Angel. Iron Tower racing in fifth, Strong Friend. As they race the final corner, Hockey Hawk by a length and a half. Material Ruler getting closer and stronger from the outside. And hitting the finish line outside, Hockey Hawk. Material Ruler is on the outside, but still Hockey Hawk, Material Ruler on the outside, and finally it's going to be Hockey Hawk, Material Ruler, Victory Joe, Iron